I guess we weren't so bad the first time that they didn't ask us back, so I hope you all enjoy that. We're going to pick up the spirit just a little bit, as most of you have been expecting. Going to tell a story about Noah, except we're going to try to tell it in about 2 minutes. Could you preach the story of Noah in 2 minutes? Could you if you studied? No? Okay. Well, we're going to try it. I hope you enjoy. Well, didn't it rain, 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 children? Rain all the time.
Didn't it?
Yes.
Didn't it?
You know it did.
Didn't it? Oh my, oh didn't it rain?
Well,
Didn't it rain, 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 children? Rain all the time. Didn't it?
Yes.
Didn't it?
You know it did.
Didn't it? Oh my, oh didn't it rain?
Now stop still, listen to me. You know God walked down by the mighty sea. He beheld the evil of a sinful man, declared that he'd destroy the land. Well, he spoke to Noah. Noah stopped, said, looky here, Noah, build me an ark. Well, I want you to build it big and strong. Build it 300 cubits long, 30 high and 50 wide. I want it to stand by rain on
Well,
high.
didn't it rain, 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 children? Rain all the time, didn't it?
Yes.
Didn't it?
You know it did.
Didn't it? Oh my, oh didn't it rain?
And after God told Noah what to do, old Noah began to cut in two. Well, the ringing of the hammer was a judgment. The singing of the saw, God said, repent. For 100 years he hammered and sawed, built the ark by the grace of God. Then after that great foundation was laid, he hewed the timber and the ark was made. Then he called to the animals 2 by 2. It was an ox and a camel and a kangaroo. Then he called to Jacob, Shem and Ham, and God began to flood the land. Well, he raised his hands to the heavens on high, knocked the sun and moon from the sky, tripped the mountain, stirred the sea, hitched the wind to his chariot's wheel. Well, he stepped on land and he stood on shore, declared the time would be no more. Well, I want rain,
Rain.
he wants rain,
Rain.
hard rain,
Rain.
cold rain,
Rain.
rained all day,
Rain.
rained all night,
Rain.
was no land
Rain.
nowhere in sight.
Rain.
Rain, 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 rain.
Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. Rain, 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 children. Rain all the time, didn't it?
Yes.
Didn't it?
You know it did.
Didn't it? Oh my, oh didn't it rain?
That was wonderful. Did you take a breath in that song? Twice. So what Lora says is true. You are full of hot air.